In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Notion, whether you're looking to clean up your digital space, or perhaps you're simply done with a particular project. Knowing how to properly remove a workspace can be quite useful. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring that you won't miss a beat. First things first, you'll need to open the workspace you wish to delete. This means navigating to the specific workspace on Notion's interface that you've decided you no longer need. Once there, look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation and where you'll start the deletion process. Spot the settings option there and give that a click. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the workspace section. Within this section, you'll want to select General. This takes you to the main hub for all the general settings tied to the workspace. You're almost there, so stick with me for the next few clicks. Now we need to find something known as the danger zone. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the general settings page. This section is aptly named because it contains the option to delete your entire workspace, and once it's gone for good. So locate the danger zone section, and then you'll see the option to delete entire workspace. Once you click on delete entire workspace, you'll need to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step, and Notion will prompt you to enter the exact name of the workspace you're attempting to delete. Take care to type this in correctly, as it serves as a security feature to prevent accidental deletions. After typing in the workspace name accurately, you'll see the option to click on Permanently Delete Workspace. This final confirmation is your last chance to reconsider, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. Once you've clicked this, your workspace will be permanently deleted from Notion. And there you have it. The workspace is now deleted, freeing up your digital real estate. Keep in mind though, this action is irreversible. Everything within that workspace, including pages, subpages, and any data you've accumulated there will be gone. So, always double check before you click delete to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy organizing, and see you in the next one.